Now in this video, let's talk about how you can change the vibration pattern on your iPhone. Let's get into it. Naturally, this applies to like multiple different apps and places, but it is managed through the settings. So get inside of the settings and locate the sounds and haptics section. And in there, you can see we have the haptics option. So make sure it is enabled, right? Like make sure that the haptics and vibrations work. But then we have to manage it individually. So for example, we have the ringtone section. And in there, at the top, when you confirm and click on the haptics again, you can choose from the synchronized, which is like the default option, meaning that the phone will vibrate according to the ringtone, or you can switch to the standard vibration types like the rapid or quick, right? But also at the bottom, you have the option to create a custom new vibration, which it just shows you like a blank screen, and you can just tap anywhere and create the pattern of the vibration, right? So we can replay it again. You can also see it visually at the bottom, right? So yeah, this is it. This is how it actually works, right? So you can save it and also name the vibration, right? So in order to make it clear, so you can name it, for example, pattern, and this is the thing that you're gonna remember. So yeah, this can now be applied to other places as well, like the text tone, for example. Same thing, you can use the custom pattern we created, and also so many other things like new mail, haptics, and vibration can be applied with that, or even create a new one. So it's pretty intuitive, right? That's how you can manage it and create a brand new pattern. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.